After almost 2 decades in prison, a Metro man could walk free in the coming weeks. Advocates of Keith Carnes have battled his murder conviction for years. KSHB 41 News reporter Andres Gutierrez talked about the potential release with Carnes' supporters and his mom.
So congratulations, your baby is coming home.
Oh my goodness!
Are you happy?
Yes! All the time! All the time!
You're welcome.
Oh boy, it's been a long struggle.
A new chapter may be on the horizon for Keith Carnes' mother and one of his biggest advocates.
I told him this. We're praying for you, Keith, that you're going to come out.
The now 51-year-old Carnes is serving life in prison for a 2003 murder he says he didn't commit. Private investigator Latara Smith found witnesses who back up his claims of innocence. She's been on the case for 9 years, helping Carnes' legal team along the way. Then today, the Missouri Supreme Court ruled that prosecutors initially withheld evidence and that Carnes must be released in 30 days unless the state retries the case.
He's already shared with me that he wants to take some counseling because he understands that coming out here, it's difficult.
In a statement, the Jackson County Prosecutor's Office wrote that they are actively reviewing the case and are awaiting any additional information from the Missouri Supreme Court.
So they can file a notice of dismissal in the criminal case in Jackson County, and they can do that, I mean, as early as right now if they so choose to.
Carnes' attorneys will be speaking with him in the morning about the next steps.
I think he's just very grateful about all the people that have rallied behind him.
Mr. Carnes is most definitely not the only one in prison for a crime that he did not commit.
His mother can't wait to give him a big hug and kiss.
It's been so long since I've actually touched Keith, and I just want to hold him for a moment, you know?
In Kansas City, Andres Gutierrez, KSHB 41 News.
I think every mom can understand that. The nonprofit Miracle of Innocence says it's ready to celebrate with him and adjust to life outside the prison walls. The organization's co-founder, Lamont McIntyre, is one of 4 other local men who have been exonerated in the last 5 years. Most of them spent more than 20 years behind bars, including Kevin Strickland, who was wrongfully imprisoned for 43 years. He was released back in November. Again, if prosecutors decline to retry Carnes' case in the next 30 days, he'll walk free in May. We'll keep following this story on air and online at KSHB.com.